Hi, I'm Bryce Anderson, and I'm part of the caster division here at OneMonroe. I want to take this opportunity to highlight a few of the ways OneMonroe can help. We reduce maintenance spend by helping you find the right products for applications within your industry. When it comes to industrial components and hardware, OneMonroe is a leader across every industry. Using our global network of suppliers, we are confident we can find you the best price and availability on the products you need to keep your business operating. With over 40 locations across the US, we're committed to your inventory needs and we'll reduce gaps in your supply chain. At OneMonroe, industrial mechanical components are our specialty. No one is better positioned to provide these solutions. Call us today and let us know how we can help.